Welcome! Ready for an adventure? Let's journey to Romania, a land that feels sculpted by hand. Imagine rolling green hills, soft mountains, and rivers like blue ribbons winding through the countryside. The houses have cheerful red roofs, and every corner is bursting with stories and surprises. Picture us as filmmakers, shaping Romania from a ball of green clay, forests, winding roads, and a sky dotted with fluffy clouds. This place feels alive, inviting you to explore every nook and cranny. Around one bend, you'll find a castle touching the clouds. Around another, a quiet village buzzing with bees. The people here are as warm as the scenery, always ready with a smile or a story. Our journey is about discovering the thumbprints of history and culture that make Romania unique. So grab your imaginary toolkit. We'll wander through ancient forests, climb storybook mountains, and meet the friendly faces of this handcrafted country. Forget what you think you know. Romania is full of hidden gems and stunning beauty. Ready to press play on our Romanian escapade? Let's begin. Welcome to Transylvania, land of legends. Picture the Carpathian Mountains, grand, forested, and noble. Among them stands Bran Castle, with fairy tale turrets and secret passages. Nearby, Peleș Castle rises, ornate and cheerful. Across the hills, fortified churches stand as masterpieces of faith and craftsmanship. Here, legends and beauty blend, history shaped in stone. Step into the stories of Transylvania. Let's wander into Romania's cities, each a colorful, handmade masterpiece. In Sibiu, pastel houses with sleepy-eye windows watch over cobblestone squares. Brașov's bright merchant houses and clock tower sit at a mountain's foot. Sighișoara's medieval citadel winds with towers and color. These cities are alive with music, laughter, and bustling markets. Walking here feels like stepping into a storybook. Let's leave the city lights behind and find nature's wonders. Next, we drift into the Danube Delta, a watery maze sculpted by the river itself. Picture shimmering blue channels splitting into 1,000 veins, surrounded by vibrant green reeds and marshes. This is Europe's largest wetland, alive with hundreds of bird species, pelicans, swans, kingfishers, filling the air with a symphony of calls. The best way to explore? By boat, gliding through still waters that mirror the sky. Fish dart below, willow branches dip into the river, and floating islands of reeds drift by. Life here is woven into the water. Villages with thatched roofs, fishing nets drying in the sun, and gardens bursting with flowers. People live simply, in harmony with the rhythms of the river. The Danube Delta is a peaceful, mesmerizing world where nature and people coexist. It's a reminder of how beautiful life can be when shaped by water and patience. Let's head north, where wood and tradition take center stage. Onward to Maramureș. In Maramureș, everything is carved from wood. Churches, gates, and homes, all crafted with skill and love. The wooden churches rise with slender spires and shingled roofs, built without a single nail. Villages here are marked by ornate wooden gates, each carved with symbols telling the family's story. Houses have cozy porches and neat gardens, radiating tradition and warmth. People wear embroidered blouses, colorful skirts, and straw hats, always ready with a smile. Life moves at a gentle pace, rooted in community and heritage. The Mary Cemetery in Sapanța is a celebration of life. Bright blue crosses, playful paintings, and witty poems remember the joy of those who've passed. Maramureș is a place where tradition is alive in every carving and every smile. It's a region that honors the past while celebrating the present. Here, wood tells stories as old as the hills. Let's gather for a feast, Romanian style. Time to taste the heart of the country. No journey is complete without a feast. Romanian food is hearty, flavorful, and made with love. Picture a table with mamaliga, creamy yellow polenta, beside sarmale, cabbage rolls stuffed with meat and rice. There's ciorba de burta, a tangy soup with sour cream, and smoky bean soup for comfort. Platters overflow with salty sheep's cheese, cured sausages, and fresh bread. Raise a glass of local wine or tsuika, the fiery plum brandy. For dessert, papanashi, warm donuts smothered in sour cream and sweet jam. Sharing a meal here is about more than food. It's about hospitality, laughter, and new friends. Every bite is a taste of tradition and warmth. Romanian feasts are celebrations of life and togetherness. The best way to know a country is through its kitchen. Now let's wrap up our journey. Our clay-crafted journey through Romania ends here, but the real adventure is just beginning. We've wandered through castles, cities, wetlands, and wooden villages, each with its own magic. Romania is more than a place. It's a feeling, warmth, wonder, and welcome at every turn. The real colors are brighter, the mountains grander, and the people even friendlier than our story can show. Whether you seek adventure, peace, or inspiration, Romania has something special for you. So, why not start your own journey? Explore, discover, and create your own stories. This handcrafted land is waiting for you to press play. Go on. Your Romanian adventure awaits.